Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like and let's get started. So, we will take a look at this WTI crude oil. First of all, we did analysis about last week, right? We told you guys that we will be expecting this crude oil to actually drop to a level of 75 and possibly break below it, which we talked about. So on Monday, we actually had that bearish move. Price dropped further down. It broke below the level of 75 we were speculating for. And we got to 74, we had a pullback, right? Once it pullback, we are also expecting it to actually drop further down. But guess what? The price did not actually do so. The analysis might not be 100% correct, but at least 80% is actually correct. It's almost more than 80% correct though. So price kind of gone up, right? We've actually gone bullish. So now this week, right, I would be expecting a drop on this WTI crude oil. So I will be telling you my own reasons, right, why I will be expecting and such a movement. So to understand this movement, right, I want you guys to actually stay with me. Let's test with this monthly time frame downward to our weekly time frame. So we clearly can see this movement. First of all, the trend for this US WTI crude oil, sorry, you can see this trend for this WTI crude oil. This is an bullish move. This movement started early 2020, right? December, March 2020, early 2020. Price gave us that bullish move. We saw price spiked up. Price, we've also included this moving average to actually guide us. We all know once this price is above our moving average, it is a buy. We have to consider to go long, right? We clearly can see that this price has been above our moving average. We've been going long. We can see the WTI crude oil price is above our moving average, so it has gone long. Then all of a sudden, the price started correcting itself. It's now dropping. Now price is below our moving average. So this is to tell you that this is a sell. So I am seeing this price as a drop, here as a pullback, and we should be expecting a drop again on this WTI crude oil. Notice for the month of November, we actually opened and closed bearish, right? WTI crude oil gave us a bearish move for the month of November, right? Now this is the month of December, right? WTI crude oil have actually opened, right? I think it will also close bearish by December, though when the month end it will be more visible. As at now, the price is still playing out. You need to be playing out on the 4-hour time frame to the daily time frame, then up to the weekly time frame, before to the monthly time frame. So this monthly time frame, this is the 2nd of December. We just opened. So we are trying to see analysis for the 5th to 9th. So I personally still speculating a bearish move. So now that we would see this as a drop, we should consider this as a pullback and now a continuous bearish move on this WTI crude. So we should expect a drop. We can see that this price is still below the 10th period moving average. So WTI crude bearish. Now let's see what this weekly time frame actually says. So we expect a drop, which actually did, but all of a sudden the price went up, came up, closed at this level. So I want you guys to actually notice this level, that price has dragged to this level previously. Price came to this same level, we saw a rejection. Price also came to this level, we saw a rejection. One of the reasons why I highlighted this level, which is more visible on the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. We will get into that later. We can see this is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level top, and this level below I highlighted it, which we take this top as our resistance, this as a support on the level. So it makes sense for this price to actually come to this same level. It went up, right? Then we can see price actually drop to this same level again, and we are seeing a bullish move, right? So now that I'm saying we've got it to this level, what do we expect? I'm expecting another drop again to come down to this support level. So this is one of the reasons why I said WTI crude will be expecting a bearish move. Let us see it drop further down, at least to a level of 75. Let's see if it's going to get to that level of 75 this week. And secondly, we can see that this price is below our 10-period moving average. Until this price goes bullish and break our moving average, then I will consider to go long on this WTI. If it does not go bullish and if it does not break this moving average, I personally still see this movement as a bearish movement. So the WTI crude, I'm still speculating a bearish move on this movement. So the weekly time frame, week that just passed, we actually close, open and close bearish. So this week that I'm predicting for, let's hope we also open and close bearish. So now that will take us to the daily time frame. So take a look at this movement, right? So you can see price has rejected here. We can see price has reacted to this level, right? We saw a reaction here. right? There was a reaction here. There was a reaction here. Price drop. So we can see price has gone to this level. So I expect price to actually drop further down again. So let's see drop at least for this level for this week. We should be able to take out a level of 77, right? Let's watch out for a level of 77. I think a level of 77 will make sense for this week. Is this 70? No, so this is a level of 75. You will possibly drop further down, so there's no problem. If you still aim for a level of 77 or 78 on WTI crude oil, still not bad. We should watch out for a level of 78 and 77 on WTI crude oil. So WTI still expects a drop, right? A drop needs to be made. So I still believe WTI crude oil will continue to go bearish. But I want you guys to notice something. Have this in mind. So there's if price does not play out this way, I want you guys to know it this way. So you will not, get missed out or say, oh, the trend was, false or something like that, or the prediction was false. I don't want you guys to say such a thing. If eventually price WTI crude oil goes bullish and break above this week, which is a level of 82, if, like I'm saying, if this WTI crude oil goes up, break a level of 82 or possibly 83, then I can now tell you guys that possibly we can now go long on this WTI crude oil. If, like I'm saying, if this price goes bullish, it breaks above 81, 82, it actually breaks above this level of 82 or 83, anyone, either it breaks above a level of 82.820 or $83, right? If it breaks above it, then I want you guys to know, watch out for a bullish move, speculate a bullish move. But I don't think it will happen, so I also want to see this price to drop. So this is one of the reasons why I'm still expecting this drop to drop further to level of 76 on this WTI crude oil. So WTI crude oil, I'm still expecting a bearish move for the week. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So I mean this 4-hour time frame. So I would see this as a drop, right? I would not take it as a correction. I would see this as a drop. So of course, correction needs to be take correction needs to take place around this level. Let's see that correction give us a pullback to the level of 81, then price adjusts for that. If price can break this level, which is a level of 80.180, if price can drop and break this level, right, this level that I've just highlighted here, if price can break this level downward, then I think it will make sense for you to actually jump in and sell this WTI crude oil. So just be patient. So we'll watch out for two level. This is a level of 82, right, and this is a level of 80. So if this WTI crude oil can just further can give us a pullback and drops and break this level of 80, then it makes sense for us to actually jump on this trade and sell this WTI crude oil. But if in case this price continues to go bullish, right, and breaks this level of 82, then we can go long. However, just subscribe. I'm going to give you the guys an update. I'm going to update you guys so how the price will play out. If the price play out a certain way, I'm going to update you and tell you how to take this trade and what to take. So this week we are not 100% sure of what this price will be making for this week. So this is one of the reasons I'm telling guys, watch out. If price can break a level of 82, then we should consider to go long. But if it breaks below a level of 80.180 or close to a level of 80.79, then we can now go bearish. So above all, just subscribe. I'm going to update you as the price moves. I'm going to tell you how to what movements will be making next on WTI crude oil.